Hello children, how are you? Hope all are well. Today's topic social insect part 3. Here we will discuss about queen ant, male ant and worker ant. In previous video already discussed about ant, social insect, and insect like bees, ants and termites are called social insect. They have a social structure that include a well-defined system of division of labor. This is discussed about already in previous video. So here discuss about the queen ant, male ant and worker ant. This is a diagram of queen ant, male ant and worker ant. And worker ant, some worker ant divide into in specific division and division of work like soldier ant, forager ant, nursery ant and cleaner ant. So before we start this topic, please I will request you please subscribe, like and more share and press red button, and let's start without any wasting time. So we will come to the point, the queen ant. So here we will listen carefully, and this topic comes from NCERT and class 5th. So let's start. The queen ant is the mother of all the other ant in a colony. Unlike other ants, she is a big in size. The queen ant. The queen ant is the mother of all the other ant in a colony. So here we can see here the queen ant is a mother of all ants. Those ants live in the colony, you know. So what is colony? They have a social structure and live in a group. This is called colony, and well-defined system of division of labor. You know, so let's come to the point. Unlike other ants, she is a big in size. This is a queen ant. I had already drawn here this diagram. You can draw. This is a queen ant. She is big in size. A queen ant has a wing. The task of the queen ant is a lay to eggs. This is the most important ability of queen ant. The task of the queen ant is to lay egg. Yeah, we can say here that function of the queen ant lay eggs. The queen has very little control over the colony, you know. The queen ant very little control over the colony. An ant colony often has many queens. Okay. So many queens live in the colony. So next point we will come, male ants. Male ants also have wings, but they die shortly after mating. This is a male ant, only work for mate with queen ant, and after they die shortly after mating. So male ant also have wings, but they die shortly after mating. This is a diagram of male ant have wings and shortly die after mating with queen ant. And third point, worker ant. This is a worker ant. This diagram of worker ant. So let's start. Depending on the body structure, worker ants are of the following kinds, each performing a specific function. Okay. Depending on the body structure, depend upon work, each performing a specific function. So shoulder ant. A shoulder ant guard the opening of the nest to prevent enemies. Okay. The gardener work by shoulder ant and prevent the nest from enemies enters comes nest. And second, forager ant. A forager ant leave the nest in search of food. When it finds large amounts of food, it returns to the nest and leads other forager ant to help carry back to pack the food. Here this is a point very important. Forager ant leave the nest in search of food. for searching food leave the net, and when it is find large amount of nest, it return back to the nest and lead other forager ants to help carry back to the food. Okay. So next point here we can see here, third point, nursery worker. Okay. A nursery worker ants care for newborn ant known as larvae that hatch from eggs. So we can say her aunt's child is known as larvae. Okay, a small little ants known as larvae. The nursery worker ants cares for newborn ants, and newborn ants known as larvae then hatch from the eggs. And cleaner ant. A cleaner ant is responsible for cleaning the entire nest. Okay. This is a work for only for cleaning in the nest. This is called a cleaner ant. So let's revise again. The queen ant. The queen ant is the mother of all other ant in a colony. Unlike other ants, she is a big in size. You can see this diagram. This is a queen ant, male ant and worker ant. You can draw in your notebook, and please note down this content very easily. Using very easy language for this content, you can easily understand. A queen ant has wings. The task of the queen ant is to lay. The queen has very little control over the colony, and ant colony often has many queens. Okay. And comes to the male ant. Male ants also have wings, but they die shortly after mating. This is a male ant. This is a function only mate with queen ant, and then afterward die. Worker ant. Depending on the body structure, worker ants are of the following kinds, each performing a specific function. The first we will take in shoulder ant. A shoulder ant guards the opening of the nest to prevent enemies from the entering. And second, taken for forager ant. A forager ant leaves the nest in search of food. When it finds large amount of food, it returns to the nest and leads other forager ants to help carry back to the food. And second, nursery worker. A nursery worker ant cares for newborn ants known as larvae. Newborn ants also known as larvae. This is cared by nursery worker. Okay. That hatch from the eggs. Cleaner ant. A cleaner ant is responsible for cleaning the entire nest. So, please like, subscribe and more share. Press red button. Take care. Be safe. Stay in home. God bless. Bye bye.